Hello dear students, hello dear learners. So our today's topic is revision number 4. As you remember, we had revision number 3, number 1 and number 2 in our previous video, so you can go and check it also. So in this revision we will have from unit 1 till the unit 8. Also, I want to say that we already had opened our Telegram channel. You can go there and also find tests, extra tests about Roundup 1. I also will download Roundup 2 today. So, let's take a look at our exercises. So, read and match. So the first one, has she got a new car? No, she hasn't. She's got a new motorbike. Are you Tom's sister? Yes, I am. Are you his friend? His friend George. Okay. Have you got a new teacher? So, yes, we have. His name is. Yes, we have. His name is Mr. Robbins. Can you carry my bag for me? Yes, I can. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I can't. It's very heavy. Okay, the next one. Can you stand on one leg? Yes, I can. Look, and last one. Is Emma's mom a doctor? No, she isn't. Nora's mom is a doctor. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So, underline the correct word. This book is mine. Mrs. Smith is their teacher. There is a vase on a table. Okay, this is our house. My dog is black and white. Can I have a glass of water? The black skirt is hers. This is John's book. It is his. This car is theirs. Dr. Black is her doctor. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So put the verbs in the present simple and the present continuous. So let's start. Helen. Hello, Nadia. What are you doing? Nadia. I am cooking dinner. But you never cook dinner on Saturdays. You always eat out. Not today. My grandson Matthew is here. He's fixing my garage door. I am making his favorite meal, lemon chicken. Lemon chicken? Can I come too? Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. Write the opposites. So, the first one, we see that don't talk. So, the opposite form is talk. Open the window. Don't open the window. Don't stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Don't stand up. Don't stand up. Make a noise. Don't make a noise. Stop. Don't stop. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So, look at the picture and circle the correct word. There is a poster above on the bed, so we can see it. So, there is a book on the bed. There is an umbrella under the bed. There is a desk next to the bed. There are two chairs in front of the desk behind, so there is no chairs. I don't see any chair. So let's take it out. So there is a box opposite. So wait a minute. So this too has a problem as we cannot see any chair and any box. So let's take it just out. Okay, let's look at this one. Look at the picture and complete the text. Use in, between, in front of, next to, and above, and on. Okay, this is Fall Street. There are a lot of shops in Fall Street. There is supermarket. So where's supermarket? It is, oh sorry, it is here. So the supermarket is between the bank and grocery store. So between the bank and grocery store. So there is nice cafe. So cafe is here. There is a nice cafe. So next to the groceries, green groceries. Can you see Mrs. Smith? His house is above ours. So he is Mrs. Smith. Mr. Smith, sorry. He is above ours. Can you see the man? Can you see the man? So his house is above ours. Can you see the man in front of the bank? It's my dad. That's my dad. He works there. What's my dog Spot doing on the car? Spot, come here. Okay, let's take a look at this revision. So revision 5, unit from 1 to 10. So let's take a look. Underline the correct word. He has got 5 boxes. There are 2 men in the garden. That skirt is hers. Is there any color left? My brother is tall. This is Sue's bike. That's your pen. These are our bags. This is Bob's train. There aren't any plates on the table. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. The children are playing outside now. He sometimes comes to the cinema. I am doing my homework at the moment. I read the newspaper every morning. I am eating my dinner now. She usually reads a book before she goes to bed. He writes an email to his friend every night. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Choose a correct item. My birthday is so in November. I usually go jogging in the afternoon. The shops are not open on Sundays. So what fruit do you eat in winter? His birthday party is on Saturday. So I have a shower. Before I get dressed. Fox is hard at night. So Paul's birthday is on July 4th. My guitar lesson is on Tuesday. What are you doing here at midnight? So I brush my teeth after I have a lunch. My Mother's Day is in March. My holiday begins on August 15th. So look at the picture and answer the questions. Use the prepositions in the box. So where is the woman? She is in the house. Where is the man? He is under the window. Where is the horse? It's behind the man. Where is the bird? It's above the house. Where are the trees? They are next to the house. Where is the rabbit? It's between the trees. Where is the cat? It is on a roof. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. So complete the questions and write the answers. How much milk is there? A carton. How many apples are there? 2 apples. How much lemonade is there? 2 bottles. How much jam is there? A jar. How much cheese is there? A kilo. How many glasses are there? 2 glasses. How much cereal is there? A box. Okay, so let's take a look at this exercise 2. Underline the correct word. The car is yours. These books are mine. So, is there any milk? Is there any milk? Can I have an egg? I want a jar of coffee. There is some water in the vase. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise. So there are some eggs in the basket. There is some butter in the fridge. How many knives are there on the table? How much popcorn is there in the box? There are some birds in the tree. How much money do you have? There is a mouse under the bed. How many horses are there in the field? There are some apples in the fridge. There are some flowers in the vase. How many books have you got? Okay, let's take a look at next exercise. Write the sentences used to be going to. They are going to play football. She is going to clean the windows. He is going to make a cake. She is going to feed the baby. He is going to play tennis. They are going to take photos. Okay, let's look at this one. So look at the picture and fill the correct preposition. There is a plant on a table. There is a phone. There is a phone between. Oh, sorry. Between the book and the plant. There is a picture above the table. There is a cat under the table. There are some letters on the floor. There is a shopping bag behind the chair. There is a newspaper in the shopping bag, and also um, so on the chair there is an wait a minute. Yes, there is on. Okay, let's take a look at this one. So put the verbs in the present simple or present continuous. Hello, Peter. What are you doing? Nothing much. I am sitting here with my dog Rex. Do you want to take Rex for a walk on the beach? No, Rex doesn't like the sea. He is afraid of water. Does he like going to park? Yes, he does. Let's go to the park. Okay, let's take a look at this exercise, the last one. So write the sentences. The boys love playing. The boys love playing the drums. Okay, second one. John hates going to the dentist and doesn't want to do the homework. The children like playing with their toys. The girls like going to the beach. Erika loves eating ice cream. So this was the last one. So see you on the next video.